Want to know the secret to finally making serious money online? I will tell you in just a moment. It's coming right up in my review of Recurring Bot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And believe it or not, I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, I do two things here. I review software and products in the make money online niche. And why do you ask? Well, simple. Because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of CRAP.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? It's enough. This is the 7th video I'm doing today. I know, by the way, I'm doing a lot of videos today. I apologize for dropping so many videos. There's so many cool stuff, so cool things going on right now. I wanted to get to everything as fast as I could, so I'm dropping 7 different videos in one single day, which I know is pretty insane. But seriously, Bart, it's enough. Anyway, and by the way, if you are already a fan of the channel, feel free to skip ahead to the review. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. I do love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. She really is. I love her. She's great. Yeah, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give you a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I do drop videos pretty much every single day. I haven't been doing it for a while, but I am now back to doing tons of videos. You can see if you're watching this video, this is the 7th video of the day that I am dropping. Tomorrow, I'm going to be dropping even more videos. I'm going to be putting together more content about how to, about mindset and entrepreneurship, basically, that kind of stuff, as well as more review videos. I'm really trying to get back into doing things here on YouTube. So I do appreciate you, and please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And do hit the bell icon, because subscribe, it doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. And go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Do you know what I can't stand?
Instead of saying Costanza, you'd say can't stand ya. Can't stand ya.
No, it has nothing to do with George Costanza. Anyway, no, but I can't stand, there's so many products today that are basically teaching you how to make money by teaching other people how to make money by teaching other people how to make money. It's kind of like a vicious circle and almost like a Ponzi scheme, I guess. I mean, it's legitimate, but it's not legitimate because it's like you're not selling anything real. It's kind of like Wall Street when they're kind of like just rolling it over and rolling it over and rolling over. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, but seriously, what I really love here, this is Recurring Bot, and you know what's nice is that Recurring Bot is very different from other products because it's really about creating an actual product. It's about helping real businesses, local businesses, restaurants from Manchester, for example. So plumbers from Atlanta, Georgia. You know, like real businesses that actually need real services. And that's something that I find so cool. And now, what I do want to tell you about is my own custom bonus. Now, I know this is going to sound a little bit weird because I just started ragging on the whole make money online thing, but bear with me. I'm going to give you about 30 ebooks on making money online. Now, why am I giving you those things? Because I just got through telling you how, you know, like you shouldn't be using those things. Well, the nice thing about these books is that they're also good for business owners. And you can actually use them as an additional thing to give away to business owners when you are contacting them in order to really stand out from the crowd. So you're going to get about 30 of them completely for free when you pick up Recurring Bot through my link. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area because I want to show you how cool the software actually is. Area for Recurring Bot, and I want to show you just how easy the software is to use. So we're going to go over here, just click Create Campaign, and we're actually thinking about moving back to the States. We're thinking about moving to the Scranton area, not Scranton itself, probably one of the suburbs. So I've been looking at some things over there. So let's go ahead and put in, I don't know, let's say dentist in Scranton. Okay, and this is basically just a title for your own use. It's not going to affect anything to do with anything really. It's just so you can find it. And we're going to click submit here. Okay, and what I can do here is like this. I can put in a keyword, so I'll put in dentist, and we're going to put in my new town of Scranton. We're actually, like I said, thinking about one of the suburbs of Scranton. Pocono Mountains area, very, very pretty. Housing is pretty inexpensive out there. So anyhow, and you have three different options here. You have regular, you have based on advertising, or based on Yellow Pages, which you can do regular for now. But you can choose any of these options, and what it's going to actually find you potential leads in these cities. And I want to show you how cool this thing is. So we're going to click search over here and see what happens. And it does take a few seconds to run. This is all cloud-based, so you don't have to go ahead and do anything as far as downloading any software or anything like that. It'll work from anywhere. And here we are. So it says it found a total of 7 dentists in Scranton. Okay, it did a search based on regular Google search. And when I click linked over here, you can actually see it's going to show me a list of all the potential dentists. And so what can I do with these things? I can actually click analyze. So let's say, for example, I want to go to Drasinski Dental. So I click analyze over here and then click the analyze button. And it's actually going to generate a report, a custom-made report that I can actually give away to this company. Okay, and what's so cool about this, here, take a look at this. You can see the report that we created here. My cat is over here. She's upset. Okay, confirm. 1 second. Right. Anyway, so once you've got your report, you can go ahead and click Add to Broadcast, and you click Broadcast. And what it'll actually do is it'll actually allow you to select a template. So you have templates over here. Do you need help, for example? Okay, and it'll automatically set you up with an email that you can send out to your customer together with this report. Sorry, you can't see the report because it loaded up in a separate window. But anyway, and you can basically set everything up over here. I don't have my name and email set up here, obviously, but everything else is set up over here. You can actually go and set things up and just click confirm. It's going to send an email directly to the person. It actually gathers all the information about these people so that you can easily send out prospects to everybody you like as often as you like. It's really, really cool, actually. Now, if it can't find an email address, it'll scrape an email address off of the website. If for whatever reason it can't find email, it'll say contact form, and then basically you're going to fill it in on an online contact form. But in most cases, that's going to find the actual email address to actually send the information to. So, pretty cool stuff. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not. Did have a couple of issues getting started with it. Just so I think they didn't expect to be quite as popular as they actually were, and so their server was a bit overloaded when I first started working on it. But once they got their server issues fixed, which they did within hours, everything seems to be running pretty smoothly, and I'm very, very impressed with this because local business is really where you can make a lot of money. So I think you should go ahead and grab it. I think you are going to love it.